alzo mi casa veri grandioso, mi mani in un...
Whoa! Whoa! Hey yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, my fellow Estonia people, trust me, guys, it's my first time hearing of this country. Trust me, I'm all the way in Jamaica and I do not know nothing at all about this country. So, I'm here to explore, I'm here to expand, I'm here to traverse through this country to have a knowledge or some educational info about this country. But I'll first go with the music. Alright? So people, we're gonna react to a guy called Tommy Cash. The song is called Espresso Macchiato. That's the name. Forgive me for my mispronunciation. These names are killing me, but with all due respect, one question. Do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley, who is from Jamaica? So let me know down in the comments and let's all venture together. Peace.
Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, espresso macchiato por mio. Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, espresso macchiato. Espresso macchiato. Ciao bella, I'm Tommaso, addicted to tobacco. Me like me coffee very importante. No time to take scusi, my days are very busy. And I just saw this little ristorante. Like me give lemons when dancing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Rah, rah. Wonderful, wonderful. He can sing really good. And I do not understand the language, but I could understand what he's doing. His dancing skills are incredible. His legs moves are really a phenomenon to look at, bro. This is entertainment. This is entertainment. And I do love how these guys dressed, especially with the guy in the blue jacket, the entire clothing. Is fantastic. The security guards are doing an excellent job as well. So I guess this is a very wonderful display to watch, bro. Very good. Very good. For this country to be here, I am feeling amazing to look at them dance and to learn more. So I guess this country is based off a lot more, dancing, singing. What are these countries, specialty? What are they good at? Right? So I'm here to learn. Let's continue.
No stress, no need to be. Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, espresso macchiato por mio. Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore. Espresso macchiato. Me like to fly privati with 24 carati. Alzo mi casa veri grandi. addosso. Mi mani in un
Whoa. Whoa. Yo, amazing. Amazing. Definitely amazing. With all this entertainment, bro, with such uniqueness, with such great style, you know, it is quite an astounding vision, bro. I love it. The performance looks so beautiful, man. Like, it's giving such great energy. I mean, like, it is such a great partnership work, right? The security, the artist himself, Tommy, bro. I love it, bro. I love it. Such a wonderful show. Very entertaining. Trust me.
rosso. I work around the clock. That's why I'm sweaty like a mafioso. Life is like spaghetti. It's hard until you make it. No stress, no stress. It's gonna be espresso. Mi amore, espresso macchiato, 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 por favore, por favore. Espresso macchiato, espresso macchiato. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Espresso macchiato, espresso macchiato.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Whoa, a remarkable one. That was unexpected, though, to be honest. That was unexpected. These guys kill it. These guys kill it. Well done. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next reaction, man. Peace.